begun. This right here is the COD CD009. Now this is a beautiful 2004 Nissan 350Z transmission. Now, the input shaft doesn't have a lot of play, and it does spin good in every gear, guys. What does that mean? That means it's gonna be going into my old Chevy truck. We're gonna make it to that 6-liter, and you guys, subscribe, like, and share. Follow up on my YouTube channel. All right, listen, guys. Here's what has to happen, okay? We've got to remove a 12 millimeter and 12 millimeter. Pull out the boot, pull out the slave, the arm, and the shaft, okay? We've got to pull out the 10 millimeters right here. Once we're done with that, then we've got to cut the housing all the way through. When we're done with that, we've got to pull out this piece right here. Get the measurement of the bearing before we buy the correct adapter. I picked up the transmission from one of my buddies for 400 bucks with the clutch and everything. So I was pretty stoked about that. Very, very happy about that. Can you guess what this is? Oh man, it's happening right now. Ooh-wee. I can't believe I just did this. Wow. Alright guys, so this is the COD CD009 transmission. This is the Collins kit right here. And we're gonna be installing it on this transmission. They said to be really generous on the RTV. I really think I got too much on there. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so shifter right there, shifter to bell housing, to the bell housing. The shifter at 39 inches would be right about here. Okay, so right about there is where it's gonna be. This bolt right here is the back of the seat rail. So this right here is the hole where the shifter will stick out. And you know what? It's really hot outside, and I'm trying to do this and trying to kind of get an idea how I'm gonna measure it out. So, the shifter is back here. I don't like this idea, but it's what it is. So, let me tell you a little bit about this transmission. It is out of a Nissan 350Z with a Collins adapter, a Camaro slave cylinder, and a T56 99 98 through 02 Camaro bell housing. And it's all connected to this unbeatable, unbreakable Nissan 350Z transmission.